Okay, can you read this one?
Trip to Australia.
Very good. A trip to Australia. 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
Here is a photo of Noble with her dear friend Lydia.
Very good. Here is a photo of Nolia with her dear friend Lydia. Okay, 2 boxes for Daniya. Next one.
Last year, Noble went to visit Lydia in Australia.
Very good. Last year, Nolia went to visit Lydia in Australia. Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, next.
Noble had so much fun in Australia.
Very good. Nolia had so much fun in Australia. Another 2 boxes. Okay, can you read this one?
Lydia's home was near a pier.
Lydia's home was near a pier. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, next.
Every, every morning, Noble would sit by the pier.
Very good. Every morning, Nolia would sit by the pier. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, this one.
She called here seagulls,
Seagulls
seagull scream,
screaming.
screaming in the clear skies.
Skies, very good. She could hear seagulls screaming in the clear skies. Okay, 1 box for you for this one. Can you read this one?
She also loved the blue-green
Sea.
sea.
She also loved the blue-green sea. Okay, you've crossed the finish line. Good job. Okay, next.